Hey guys, how's it going? It's Pocket back with another tutorial video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to burn an ISO file onto your USB stick. Now, this is targeted especially for the latest Apple operating systems, since Apple has removed the ability to burn ISO files on your USB stick or memory flash drives. But in this video, I'm gonna show you the correct and proper way of doing it, and I guarantee that's going to work every single time. So, let's get started. So first thing first, you need to take your USB stick or any other kind of memory storage device and plug it into your computer, and then go ahead and launch terminal. In a terminal, type disk util list. This is going to list all of the storage devices, hard drives, USB sticks, memory sticks, everything, every single device that is connected to your computer. As you can see, I have 1 billion devices connected to my computer. So as you can see, there's a lot of traffic in here. It's quite hard to distinguish which is which, but happens to know that the target USB stick that I want to use to burn the ISO in there is this one right here. So it's /dev/disk4. In your case, could be something else. So in case you may have less devices connected to your computer. But if you cannot identify it, then you can simply unplug it and then. So actually, let me do it. Unplug it and then press the up arrow key and then press enter. And then plug the USB drive back in. Here you're gonna notice that there's one device missing. So it's good to check which one is it. And if you identify it, then plug it in again, up arrow, enter to go to the previous command, and then you will see it again right here. So in my case is win install. So win install wasn't before, so we're gonna use this one. And then I'm gonna type disk util unmount in order to unmount the USB stick. And then I'm gonna type the name of the device. So in my case it's /dev/disk4. And please triple check that this is the exact name, or this is actually the name of the device that you wish to burn. Whatever you want, because if you use something else, for example, let's say you use accidentally one of these, which is the hard drives that you are currently using, then there will be a massive problem with your system and delete all the files in that hard drive, which you obviously don't want that. So make sure to use the appropriate name of this device. Hey, if you burn an ISO file onto your USB stick, then all of the data will be deleted. Please take a small break before moving on to back up all of the data from your USB stick by copying and pasting them onto your computer. So then press enter, or if it doesn't work, then you can use unmount disk instead, which is quite different. It's going to unmount all the volumes in your USB stick. Then press enter. Then once you see this message, type this command right here. So let's go through this command before I execute it. So this is sudo. This is actually stands for super user do, meaning that only admins can use it. And then you have the dd command. The dd command, I don't know what it stands for, but it's used to convert and copy files to a given location. Then you have the bs equals 1 millisecond. Now this is used to speed up the process and is used only on raw hard drives. Next, the if command contains the path of the file to which I want to copy. So in my case, the file is located on desktop and on the folder ISO files, and it's called Win10, etc, etc. The funny symbol in the beginning simply means to jump to this directory and exclude all the directories that are before that. It's going to make your life a lot easier, especially if your ISO file is located within a directory, within a directory, within a directory. It's going to be very hard to locate. Lastly, you have the off command, which indicates the location where you want to copy the ISO file to. There you indicate the name of the hard drive or the device that you wish to burn the ISO file to. In my case, it's called /dev/rdisk4. rdisk4 stands for raw disk 4. So the R letter is there in order to speed up the process. Once you're ready, simply hit the enter key and then the whole process is going to begin and your ISO file will start burning on your USB stick. Alright, so now your ISO file is burned onto your USB stick. Before moving on, I need to mention something I forgot to mention earlier, is that if you don't want to bother typing your path name onto your own terminal, Then you can simply locate your ISO file on which folder it is, and then right click on it, hold Alt and click on copy as path name. Then type the command as you normally used to, and after the if command, paste the path name of the ISO file. Lastly, I'm going to eject my USB stick, so I'm going to type disk util eject /dev/disk4, then press enter. And now I am safe to unplug the USB stick, and then I'm going to plug it in to show you what are the changes in there. And as you can see, this is all the files that have been burned into my USB stick, and as you can see, it has a very weird name which is so hard to read, but who cares, actually you have the ISO in here, which is all you want. In my case, I just wanted to create a Windows 10 bootable USB stick in order to install Windows 10 on my computer, and this method helped me out to achieve this in minutes. And that brings me to the end of this video. So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to hit the like button if you like this video, drop a comment, let me know what you think about this video, share this video with your friends, and as always, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't done so, and also to see my latest content on this channel. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'm gonna see you to my next video.